Something completely different, as they say in musical circles, for you now on Top of the Pops. A very pleased young lady indeed, because she's the winner of the Eurovision Song Contest, Myriam, the bird and the child.
I am a child of creation, feeling just like a wandering star, and like a bird who's flying in motion, trying to see so clear, so far. Far in the sky, I feel the birds dancing. Far in the sky, I hear the birds sing. Out in the storm, I play with the winter, shout to the winds and wait for spring. Spring that awaits with eyes full of loving, giving the world a face that is new, sending us all the rain and the flowers, showering us with love that's true. True as the dawn that wakes up the sunshine, true as the look I see in your eyes. You gave to me the day of my lifetime, taught me to love, taught me to fly. Bird on the wing, sing for me, sing, take me high, show me your sky. I am the child of creation, wanting to meet the world face to face, moving the clouds and letting the light through, making the world a sunny place. Place for a song and place for a boy, light up my life the way you can do. There's so much hope that's shining around us, hope for the child, for me and you. I am a child of creation, feeling just like a wandering star, and like a bird who's flying in motion, trying to see so clear, so far. Bird on the wing, sing for me, sing, take me high, show me your sky. Bird on the wing, sing for me, sing, take me high, lend me your sky.
Ooh la la! That's Myriam for you, the winner of the Eurovision Song Contest, with that one called The Bird and the Child. Right now, released from the New World Record.